Hi UNCG students, I hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to Madhouse, also known as Make a Difference House. My name is Kelly Mitchell and along with me is Alexis, Hedera, Josh, and Damon. To get us started off today, I wanted to show this picture that Josh and I took while we were visiting Madhouse. This right here is Miss Mitchell. She's our director of Madhouse, also known as Make a Difference House. In this picture, they are making paracord bracelets, which is for the first responders and service members to hold a lightweight and compact manner. What they do is it's a bracelet that is made out of paracord, and when you take it apart, you can use it for literally anything. They told us a story that someone couldn't dry their clothes, so they hung it up on 2 trees, and that's how they hung their uniforms. So what is Madhouse? Make a Difference House is designed for new first-year students of any major dedicated to individual and collective service to the community and willing to engage in experimental learning in and outside of the classroom. The group's purpose. This group strives to be a community of civic-minded student leaders that use service as a means to make a positive difference in the world. This is conducted through service learning throughout the semester as each student works to accumulate a set amount of volunteer hours. So in Madhouse, we have 4 goals that we try and reach for and to succeed. The first one is service learning. Service learning provides endless opportunities for personal growth and positive change. The second one is leadership. Leadership skills are very important in today's world and especially in Madhouse because it gets you through. Community engagement. Individual and group service projects that get involved with the Greensboro community. That one's my personal favorite and I know the group talked about it. Getting out and helping your community and the people around you is very, very important. And the last one is forming connections. One member actually said that without this group, I would go crazy. This is for first-year students at UNCG, and I know with COVID going on, it's very hard because you're stuck in your dorm room, you're not able to meet friends. So this is a great way to get out and help your community, but also build a connection with people and build friends. What we do. So without COVID, you would need 20 hours of service learning hours, but with COVID, you need 10 hours. There's transportation. So usually there's an 18-person van that we would all go to on the weekends and we could take to go to those service learning sites. But with the pandemic going on, you actually have to go yourself, but it works out at the end and we're still together and we're still helping the community. The group climate. The group demonstrates a strong sense of cohesive behavior and embrace what the Madhouse represents with enthusiasm and determination to push their experience even further. So with Madhouse, we put your strong sense of cohesiveness in the behavior and embrace it together, and you guys all work together to help the community and help the people around you. Our group culture. We have a passion of working as a team. Bonding with other group members is important, and informal meeting settings to encourage bonding. Madhouse's goal is to have you encouraged to be around everyone and build a cohesive bond. That way you have people around you that are interested in the same thing and interested in helping your community. Attitude towards the content in each other. Attitude among members were friendly and extended beyond just the roles. It can be seen that there are friends amongst Madhouse and that this semester is spent getting to know one another and their personal level. The content surrounding these freshman program connects to the Bronze Leadership Challenge. Most everyone's attitudes displayed awareness, engagement, enthusiasm with content. Trust, openness, and teamwork. Teamwork seems to play the most crucial role between trust and openness since it is throughout teamwork that the group is able to learn and demonstrate service learning hours in more efficient ways than if they were separate. However, openness is an active factor to where genuine friendships have developed and maintained between group members throughout this semester. So working together and having the trust with others, but also having openness to work as a teamwork and individually is what Madhouse is all about. Join us. Join our weekly community meetings at the Madhouse retreat at the beginning of fall semester. Complete at least 20 hours. 10 with COVID, of volunteer service per semester. Volunteer with Madhouse as a group during the monthly service projects and as individuals by identifying and setting up service opportunities on one's own time. Get to know your peer leader throughout the informal bonding activities and small group service projects. Remember, learn Miss Mitchell and get to know her. She's there to help you and also help you get to know people in your dorms and the people in your freshman class. Bye, guys, and I hope to see you soon.